So you're going to start up the car. So we're going to use this button here to reset the maintenance light. So right now it's shown as a maintenance light required, and this shown a back button. So what we're going to do now is use this pad to control it. So we're going to push back, and right now we're at the lift section on top. So you want to go down into here, then you push to the right into here, and it say to hold the OK button to select it. So what we're gonna do is hold down the OK button. Okay, then you're gonna go down and push enter. OK, and go up and push OK, and that's all it is. So now you go back, and when you get to this area, you can push up or down or whatever you want to leave your position at. You want to go back where you were before, just keep going up, and it's there. And that's it. That's how you reset the maintenance light.